Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to create automations in Airtable in 2024. Automations in Airtable are perfect for streamlining repetitive tasks like sending notifications or maybe updating records automatically. So I'll guide you through the settings up to custom automations maybe that can save your time and improve your workflow. So make sure to stick by. Let's dive right into the video and simply let's get started. Before we start with this video, make sure to watch us from now till the end so you have full experience. First, you'll need to go and open a browser. For me here, I'm using Brave. For you, you can use whatever you want. Once you open it, go to the CRL section, and all you need to do just go to airtable.com. If it's your first time, of course, you'll be taken to this page right here. Here, you can go to the top right corner, click on sign in to sign in into your account if you have an account, and if you don't have an account, click on sign up for free. Of course, you can use a Facebook, or no, sorry, not Facebook, a Google or Apple ID if you don't want to go through all the boring steps of creating or even logging in into your account. You even have this option of single sign-on if you're going to use maybe Airtable to create maybe a database, dashboard, or something like that for once and not use it anymore. Maybe import it or export it, of course, then not use it anymore. So you'll be able to do that as well. So once you're logged in, you'll find yourself basically in the home screen, which is this one. Here you will have, of course, your workspaces. If you don't have a workspace yet, make sure to go and click on the plus button, name the workspace whatever you want, and simply start creating your bases. As simple as that. For me, I already have a workspace ready here. And of course, to once you create a workspace, you will need first of all a base to create stuff on. Like if you want to create automation in Airtable, we'll need a base to fit that on. As you can see, I have several bases in here. But for you, if you don't have a base, all you need to do just go to this top options. And as you can see, you have four options in here. The first option is to start one from scratch. If you go and click on that, as you can see, they'll give you basically kind of blank page with some table or the table here that you can even delete and start from scratch. You don't want that. Also, you can go and quickly upload something or import it from somewhere. So if you go and click on that, as you can see, you have multiple choices to import things from. If you didn't find what you want in here, you can always submit a request to so they can add whatever you want to import from. You can choose whatever you want in here, and if you didn't find it, you can click on others and specify that option that you want to import from. You can simply share any other else that you want as well. Then click on submit. Other than that, you can go and start with a template. Go and click on explore more templates, scroll down and click on see all templates, and here you'll be taken to this page where you'll find a lot of templates for each thing that you want. So you'll find product management templates, you'll find marketing templates, you'll find like product templates, sales and CRM templates, HR recruiting templates, finance of course, and legal templates. As you can see, a lot of templates. If you scroll down to the bottom, you'll find load more categories. Keep scrolling, you'll find load more categories. As you can see, there are a lot of templates here that you can choose from, more than 100 for sure. So choose the template that you want and you can start from that. If you didn't like any of those, you can simply start with AI and create your own custom template. Simply just go and tell them whatever you want to create. Maybe as an example, sorry, you want to create a database as an example. So I want to create a database. And of course, in the settings, you can choose like the organization. If you want to add those information, so it will be more customized for you, industry, audience. You can change the colors, and yeah, then click on next. As you can see, all you need to do now is relax, sit tight, and AI will create everything for you. So once it creates everything, you'll see the preview here. If you like it, you'll be able to click on next and start using it. You'll be able even to customize it however you want. So as an example, maybe I don't want this indexes. I want to add my own and name it something as an example. And once you made any changes, just go and click on preview and you'll see again the preview. And if you like it, you can click on create and start using it. As simple as that. For me, I'll just go and click on X because I already have my bases that I can start from. So as an example, I'll just go and access this by simply clicking on it. And now, if you want to create an automations, all we need to do just go to the top options. As you can see, you'll find data automation, interfaces, and forms. So click on automations. Here, you'll find yourself on this place. So as you can see, let Airtable do the work for you by automating your most common tasks. Tasks. And here, you can automate stuff. So as an example, you can automate sending an email. When status is complete, send an email. You can send a Slack message. Like when a status is complete, send a Slack message. You can update your record. When status is complete, set status to not started. You can send a weekly digest. At 12 p.m., as example, Monday, email records where status is complete. You can also generate a weekly digest in Google Docs, which will require from you a plan. As example, as you can see here, the free plan will not be enough, so you'll need to upgrade to a team plan. But it will let you, as example, at 12 a.m. p.m. Sorry, of course you can change the time and everything however you want. It will let you, as example, 12 p.m. Monday, generate a Google Docs digest from a great view. Other than that, as you can see, they have here even some suggested triggers for you. So if you want to automate some stuff, you'll need to choose a trigger, then the action. So the trigger here is example when a record match condition, when a form is submitted, when a record is created, when a record is updated, at a scheduled time on when a record entered the view. You can also see everything in here that can be a trigger. For example, maybe I'll just choose when a record match a condition. So yeah, power automation with AI. Of course, you can. It seems like you can even use AI to create your automation. So it's good. So you can see the trigger when a record match your condition. So you'll have to choose in which table this should record be. As example, maybe I'll choose in this project table as example, and then you can add the condition. When maybe you can choose the project name, contains maybe or is empty as example. This is the condition. So when a record is empty, description is empty. If this description is empty, it will do something. Of course, you can always test the step by click on test the steps, go to the specific projects, click on it, and you'll see the results in here and see if it's working as intended. So, as example, the step successful at the moment. Now you can go and add some advanced logic or action. So basically, the logic or conditional logic or action is the thing that should be done once this trigger is met. So, example, I can choose one of the integrations in here, or maybe it will send an email, create a record, or do something. So for this automation, I'll just do it, send a message on Slack. Of course, I'll need to go here and enter the description if I want to, configuration, which I'll have to go and connect my Slack account and choose the message that's what I want to be sent or I want to send. And of course, then I can go and test the step by click on generated preview. So once you do so, I'll just go and delete this action because it's a requirement for me to connect my accounts and etc. For me, I'll just do create a record example description. I'll just name it tests. For the table, I'll just choose the tasks, fields. Why not task name as example? And task name will be tests again. Again, you can test the step by click on generate preview. And as you can see, you will see the preview that the record is creating called tests. You can also add another action to be done once this trigger is matched. Or you can let it as it is, like just that. And if you like it, and it seems everything is working as intended, all you need to do, just go and make it on. And as you can see, this automation is now activated. Whenever you have a record with empty description, it will create a record example called tests on a specific table. For me, I'll just turn it off. And yeah, that's how you create your automation in Airtable. So that's going to be it for me today. Thank you for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video. So goodbye.